TE Connectivity's Buchanan WireMate Connector Surface Mount TB Series is a two-piece pluggable solution designed for customers who are seeking to replace the traditional two-piece terminal block connector with a surface-mounted version. And because both vertical and right-angle versions are available, an increase in design flexibility can be achieved. Mating plugs are also available. These connectors are designed for a simple reflow soldering process, which allows for faster PCB assembly. Also, their optional SMT retention features help guarantee secure PCB mounting. With their tin plating copper alloy contacts, their thermoplastic flammability rated housing material, and being RoHS compliant, these connectors are ideal for applications including elevators and escalators, industrial control, and HVAC equipment and control.